Chapter 5. Articles A and the. Kirti, you are late by an hour. Why? Sorry, ma'am. I brought an old lady to the hospital. Was she your relative? No, ma'am. Even I don't know her. On the way to school, there was a crowd. Help! Help! A car in rush hit the old lady and nobody came forward to help her. So, I took an auto rickshaw to bring her to a nearby hospital. The old lady is out of danger now. You can go to your school. Bravo! You are a good girl. Now, look at the following sentences. 1. There was boy in the room. Here, the boy is unknown, so a is indefinite article. 2. The boy who stood first runs fast. Here, the boy is definite, so the is definite article. 3. He lost a pen. Here is one out of many pens, so a is indefinite article. 4. He lost the pen he bought. Here, the pen is bought, so the is definite article. Thus, articles are of two kinds, indefinite and definite. Indefinite articles A and indefinite articles are used with nouns that are not definite. So, a and an mean one or any. Use of a. There are 5 vowels a, e, I, o, and u, and 21 consonants in English alphabet. A is used with the words that begin with a consonant sound. A room, a girl, a table, a chair, a banana, a mango, a fan, a basket, a book, a pen, a tree, a map, a nose, a uniform, a computer. Use of an ass, an eye, an ox, an ear, an old man, an apple, an egg, an umbrella, an hour. Definite article. The definite article the is used before a definite noun. 1. With a noun already mentioned. A. There lived a lady in the forest. The lady was kind. B. There was a lion. The lion lived in a forest. The forest was dense. 2. With a noun already known. A. The principal is strict. B. Switch on the lights. 3. With a noun that represents the whole class or type. A. The cow is a useful animal. Means all cows. B. The horse runs fast. Means all horses. 4. With a unique noun. A. The earth moves round the Sunday. B. The moon shines in the sky. 5. With the names of classical or religious books. A. The Gita. B. The Bible. C. The Quran. D. The Abhijnana Shakuntalam. E. The Ramayana. 6. With the names of newspapers and magazines. A. The Indian Express. B. The Hindustan Times. C. The Chandamama. D. The Times. 7. With the names of mountains, oceans, rivers, etc. A. The Himalayas, the Alps, the Hindu Kush. B. The Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal. C. The Ganga, the Nile, the Huangho. 8. Before superlative degree of adjectives. A. He is the best student. B. The strongest man was Ashok. The word uniform begins with a vowel U but its sound begins with a consonant. Therefore, a is used before this word. The words honest and hour begin with consonants but their sounds begin with a vowel. Therefore, an is used before these words. Exercise. A. Write a or an before these nouns. B. Read the story and fill in the blanks with a or an. A talking parrot. Yesterday was sunny day. My father took me to the zoo. We carried bag. In the bag we carried apple, orange, bunch of bananas, some grapes and fruit cake. At the zoo, I saw 3 elephants eating grass under big shed. After that we watched monkey swinging from one branch to another. It was having lot of fun. It looked like ape, but it was much smaller. There were many birds at the zoo. We saw owl. It had big eyes. Green parrot was talking to old man who was standing near the cage. There was large bird nearby. My father told me it was ostrich. It had just laid egg. The egg was very big in size. We heard the parrot telling the old man, "Hello. What big bird that is. What big egg that is." See, write the where it is needed. Put a cross where it is not required. 1. I play with my friends in playground near my house. 2. My granny tells me stories from Ramayana. 3. There is a new student in my class. Student has come from China. 4. Qutub Minar is located in South Delhi. 5. Ganga is a long river. 6. A dog was barking at a stranger. Dog belongs to my friend. D. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. 1. Reena sat on bench. Bench was broken. Reena fell down. 2. Karan ate orange. Orange was sore. Karan has sore throat. 3. Car stopped in front of our gate. Young girl come out of car. 4. Sun is behind clouds. 5. Qutub Minar is very tall. 6. Bible is holy book. E. Read the story and fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. A fox without a tail. One day, fox was caught in trap. It pulled and pulled till it became free. But its beautiful tail was cut off. Fox was very sad. How ugly I look, wept fox. Other foxes will laugh at me. Clever fox thought of idea. It called meeting of foxes. The fox said, "Friends, why should we carry these long tails? Let us cut them off and be free of extra weight." Other foxes saw fox without its tail. They laughed and said, "You liked your tail first. Now that you have lost yours, you want us to lose ours too." F. Read the following dialogue in pairs and practice the conversation. I saw an engine. It was a black engine. The engine was pulling a train. We traveled by train. It was an express train. But the train was late. I brought an umbrella. It is a blue umbrella. Here is the umbrella. The ship hit an iceberg. It was a huge iceberg. The iceberg made a hole in the ship. Have you seen an anteater? It is an animal that is found in South America. The anteater eats ants. The unicorn is an imaginary creature. The unicorn looks like a horse and has one horn growing out from the middle of its head.